Okay, so one of my best friends, her name is Zaria, and today on her bus there was this girl, and she was talking about me. Yeah, well, got a lot to say to her too, but instead, because I don't have school tomorrow, so I can't tell her tomorrow, and I'm not allowed around her tomorrow. I mean Monday. But whatever. So I'm just gonna make it in a video and like tag a bunch of people. So, well, if I punch you in the face, if I punch her in the face, she has really, really bad acne. It's like eh, eh. Oh, she has a mustache, like all over her, like just it's gross. But yeah, so she looks like this, except with pimples, and it's red. I couldn't find a red marker, so I was like, hey, poo-poo. But yeah, so if I punch her, I don't want to get pimple juice all over me. Duh. But she was talking about me today on the bus, on my best friend's bus, and I didn't like it. So I'm gonna have to tell her who's the boss, you know? I mean, she's not gonna like talk about me and then get away with it. She's just, I missed some spots up here. Okay. And then she looks like a man dissing on my best friend's boyfriend. Like, who are you to judge? It takes one to know one. Duh. Well, yeah, Zaria, this is for you, and you're lucky you're my best friend and I drew on my face for you. Well, yeah, so I don't really know what I'm gonna have to do, but I'm gonna do something. I gotta do something. And this is another spot. Let's just say she looks like there. That's what she looks like. She looks nasty. Oh yeah, so Zarday, this is for you. And tell Danielle if she's really not scared of me that she better fight me on Monday. Oops. And if she chicken, okay, but listen to this. This girl cannot pronounce her R's. She says, okay, so first time before, she's like, get off me, Koa. No, it's Cora. Thanks. But yeah, and she says Koa and Zaria, or something like that. She just can't pronounce her R's, and it sounds really ridiculous. Like, no. Well, this one's for you, Zaria. So, it's really all. I'm not done with her, but that's just the basics. Okay, peace and love. Not really, but whatever. Yeah. Okay, well, wait. I forgot. And Zaria, thank you so much for sticking up for me, and love you, and I'm gonna hug you on Monday, and yeah. Okay, now me. Bye.